Everyone, welcome back to our channel. So today in this video I'm going to quickly show you how to use promo code on Dominos app. So let's get into the video. So firstly, open up Dominos app, and if you have an account, log into your account. So once you're done, so what you're going to do, you're going to select an item. So you're going to proceed and make an order and get to the cart. So just add any item to your order, so whatever like you normally use on the app. So just add it to your cart, and then once you get to your cart here, so I have added this to my cart. So this is my cart. So I just added an item to my cart, and then when you get to this page here, the payment page here, so this is my cart, and then I'm going to scroll down, and when you get to this payment page here, so here before that you'll see an option called apply coupon. Simply click on it, apply coupon. So when you click on apply coupon here, what you have to do is simply type in the promo code or the voucher code or whatever you have code, add it, and then hit on apply, and if it's applicable then it will be applied to your order, and in that way you'll be able to use the promo code on this order on the app. So that's pretty much it is. Hope this video was helpful. I will see you in another video. Thank you.